Have you noticed these simple sticky video animations all over your YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok feed? If you have, you're not alone. These videos are getting millions of views, and those views are turning into serious money for the creators, whether it's through YouTube AdSense, TikTok's creativity program, or even sponsorship deals. These simple videos are gold mines. What makes them so popular? Well, sticky figure animations are some of the best at grabbing attention and keeping people entertained. I'm pretty sure you've seen at least one of these before. There aren't many creators making them, so the competition is low. And that's a good thing for you if you want to try your hand at it. The reason they get so many views is simple. Once people start watching, they can't stop. These videos are short, catchy, and so engaging that people often watch them over and over again. That replay action is what pushes these videos to even bigger audiences. And you know what that means: more views and more money. There are three main types of stick figure animations, but here's the best part. One of them is completely free and really easy to make. I'll show you how to create it today. Check out this example.
You told me you were interesting, but you're literally always in bed. I'm into resting.
You won't need to spend any money, and once you learn how, you can make as many videos as you like. But here's the thing, you have to follow the steps closely. Even though it's simple, missing one step or mixing things up could leave you with a video that just doesn't work. So pay attention, and let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to a site called Adobe Express Animator. Don't worry, I'll drop the link in the description to make it easy. Once you're there, we'll dive into the steps to make your very first sticky figure animation. Make sure you're using the right version of Adobe Express Animator, the one with the free logo. The other version isn't free, so we're sticking with the no-cost option today. Once you've opened it, click on the plus icon, then head over to the Quick Actions tab. Scroll down until you see Animate from Audio, and give that a click. This will take you to the workspace where most of the fun happens. Now this part is simple, but really powerful. You'll see a bunch of characters that you can work with and make them to talk. There are lots of categories to pick from too. Whether you want emojis, people, or even some quirky stuff. It's all there, but today we're focusing on our sticky figure friend. Select him from the list. Next, we need a background for our animation. Click the Background tab. You can choose either a solid color or go for something more detailed, like a place. If you're feeling creative, there are some cool locations to choose from. Hot dog stand, beach, classrooms, deserts, bedroom, living room, and even outer space. For this example, let's stick with a living room. After picking that, click on Size and choose the format that fits your project. Let's go with the YouTube layout for now. Keep in mind, if you're planning to use portrait mode, you should pick a background that will fit better. Alright, now comes the voiceover part. We'll need some voiceover to bring our sticky figure to life. For this, we're using a free text-to-speech tool. There's a link in the description below that will take you to the site. Signing up is quick, and you get 2,000 characters per audio clip. The great part? You can use it as much as you want. No cost involved, and it's completely free to use for now. Ready to dive into creating an awesome voiceover for your sticky animation video? Let's get started. First up, we need a script for our voiceover. You can either let ChatGPT cook up a hilarious joke for you, or find a joke you like and ask ChatGPT to jazz it up. I've already got a great joke that I improved using ChatGPT. Here it is. So I will copy it from my Google Doc. Head over to our free voice-over tool. Paste your funny script into the text box. Now, scroll down to see a bunch of voice options. Play around with them to find one that fits your video. For this one, let's choose the guy voice. Adjust the speed and pitch to your liking. Then hit Convert Now. In just a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Listen to it to make sure it sounds perfect. Then click Download. Next, we're going to turn our static image into a video using Adobe Express. First, enable Enhance Audio. Then click on Browse and upload the voiceover file you just downloaded. Give it a moment to process. Within a minute, your video will be ready for download. Once it's done, download it. Let's play it.
My wife said she wanted to donate some of her clothes to people in need and starving. I looked at her and said, "Honey, anyone who fits into your clothes is probably not starving." That's when the argument started. What did I do wrong?
Perfect. And voila, you've just created a sticky animation video, ready for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Keep posting regularly and watch the likes, views, and followers start piling up. The more videos you make, the better your chance of going viral and earning from your content. If you enjoyed this guide, drop a comment and let me know how your videos turn out. You might be the next big star in this exciting space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and ways to make money online. Thanks for watching.